Hey guys, welcome. This is Brad Krantz. Thanks for joining me here today. Hey, imagine if you could transform the face of an industry. Imagine if you could bring it into the 21st century with technology and social media. And imagine if you had the trifecta, the right team, the right opportunity, and the right system. Scott Oldford writes in his latest book, The Nuclear Effect, about scaling an online business 7+ figures. He says, imagine if everyone in your market, niche, or field knew about your business and knew precisely what your business has to offer. What if they knew a lot about the kinds of results and case studies that you've created, if you've done that? What if they knew a lot about you and your story? Imagine the greater depth of connection and intimacy that you would create between you and your potential clients or potential business partners, right? When this starts happening, don't be surprised when people start reaching out, okay, to you, and deals start happening much faster because people already feel like they know, like, and trust you. Boom. What's it take in sales? People know you and like you and trust you. They're probably going to buy from you. They might even get in business with you. They're coming to the conversation knowing who you are, knowing your value, your solution, your process, your method, and your historical track record of success. Imagine if you could scale an online business to 7+ figures. We're doing that with 3LE and Jeunesseglobal, partnering with a software developer and a top-notch digital marketer. Guys, reach out to me if you'd like some information, like to have a conversation. I'd love to chat with you. Have a great Saturday. Have a great rest of your weekend. Bye-bye.